Onions have many uses in culinary and as homemade remedies. We've seen a number of recipes that call for onions to help decrease blood pressure, improve the immune system, and more. Did you know that onion peels can be used as well? You possibly throw them away. Few people realize how many nutrients and health-promoting chemicals may be found in onion peels. Did you realize that? Some of the advantages of onion peel tea include decreasing blood pressure, preventing artery blockages, and preventing cardiovascular and coronary diseases. This tea also helps with colds and flu by reducing inflammation, particularly in the stomach and throat. Did you know that drinking onion peel tea can help you avoid urinary tract infections? This is great news for women who are frequently affected by viruses and bacteria. In addition to all of this, onion peel tea lowers cholesterol and helps you lose weight. It even aids with eye health. Make a list of the ingredients for onion peel tea. Peels of 2 onions, 1 quart of water. To sweeten, add honey to taste. Boil the water, add the onion peels, allow for infusion for 5 to 10 minutes after closing the pot. To sweeten the tea, add honey to taste, and enjoy it while it's still warm. This infusion is extremely useful to your health since the onion peel concentrates the majority of the nutrients and healthy substances that our bodies require. Try it out and let us know what you think.